Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to use sort command on Linux. So first of all you have to go into terminal, so I will open terminal, you have to go into show apps and press on terminal. And right here I prepared two files. As you can see, letters.txt and numbers.txt. I will show you maybe at the beginning the letters. We have something like this. We have letters in random order. So how to sort them with the sort command? It's really easy because we can type something basically like this, sort and the number of our file. And as you can see, all of our letters are sorted in the alphabetical order. We can sort them in the reverse order by adding the options. The option, basically the one option, the sort minus R. That means we want to sort the file by reverse. So again, letters.txt, and as you can see, right here we had it from A to G, and right here we have it from G to A. And I think that's really useful. We can now move to the numbers. So I will show you the numbers. As you can see, we have the numbers in random order. How to sort numbers? We have to again use the sort command, and we have to add -n, because this stands for numbers, and the name of file. So like this, and as you can see, it is from the smallest to the biggest. If we want to do it in the reverse order, we can do it, of course, -n, and we can combine the options, so we can add R and numbers.txt, and right here we have it from the biggest to the smallest. And again, maybe you can go back, because as you can see, if we will sort our letters like this, we have the problem, or not a problem, but maybe we don't want to, for example, have a double A, the triple D, and so on. So how to basically remove duplicates? We can remove duplicates by typing in sort and the option -u. That stands for by basically unique, because, for example, we want to remove every duplicate, as I said, and letters.txt. As you can see, we have only A, D, F, and G, and again we can do it with the numbers, so -n, U, and numbers. Again, we can of course combine it. So for example, if you want to do it with in reverse order, so I have numbers, unique and reverse, and numbers.txt, as you can see, from the 66 to the 2. And maybe I'll show you how to sort by a specific column, but you have to use the option that will allow us to have a columns, basically. So I will display all processes from our system by this command, and in this command by default I guess it is sorted by process ID. As you can see, it's from 1 to almost 4000, so it is sorted by process ID. And how do we sort it? For example, by the user, or by the memory, or whatever we want. We can do something like this. So we will type in our command again. We will use pipe. If you don't know how to use pipes, I recorded a video about it, so you can check. And right now I will use sort -k, that means column, and we have our username in the first column, so -k and 1. I think it should work. Yes, it is working. As you can see, our test.pl is at the end, then it is root, the option with A, the user with A is at the beginning, C, G, and K. As you can see, it is working, and we can do it with whatever column you want. I guess, for example, 4. I guess 4 is the memory usage, but maybe I will clear that because it's not so easy to read. No, Yes, it is sorted by this, by its, as you can see, shown from the bottom. So by the memory, we have 4, 1, and so on. And we can also sort the output of our comments. So for example, we have the list comment. By default, this is sorted by alphabetical order, but we can change it. For example, by adding sort -r, and as you can see, we have it in the reverse order from the videos to the desktop, from basically Z to A. And that's all I wanted to show you in this video. If you found the video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next ones.